do, I'm afraid.
Well, I'm glad I'm a kid.
Enjoy it while it lasts.
Please, can you play with us?
I can't, Ray. I'll see you later.
Hey kids, I bought some new foam pens.
Bug Island!
Huh?
This episode of Blue is called Bug Island. I caught some fish! Oh, nice shelter, Bingo. Thanks. I'm going to get some kippies.
Ramen noodle.
Very pretty.
Ramen noodle.
Louis!
I must have fallen off the ship.
What is it, Bingo? It's a worm. Let's eat it.
Do you like ramen noodle?